Hello, do you know the number bonds for addition for the number 19? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So number 19 looks like this, and you could have a number bond looking like this, 10 plus 9. Because remember, number bonds are just when you add two numbers together to equal, in this case, 19. So let's try that again. What about 15 plus 4? Does that equal 19? Let's give you a second. Yes, well done. It does, doesn't it? So that equals 19. So that's fantastic. So that's another great way to do a number bond. What about this one? Okay, 8 plus 8. Is that a number bond for 18? Well done, it's not, because that's 16. We're not quite there. So that can't be it, okay? Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!